No, we got it.
Let's put it in between the seats.
There's still room.
Maybe like right here and there.
Is it gonna fit?
Oh god.
Oh no.
Oh, try it now.
I think it's this big is the problem.
I don't know, because you can see the clip. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Okay, that page.
Alright, so we can't open it. It's closed. Alright, we're off. We're Colorado bound.
Yay.
We're squished into this little car. We have 7 miles until we run out of gas. We're on the exit now. God, my face. Let's see, there's Petro.
I don't like any of these. Let's go to the next exit.
What time is it? Like 11:30. We're in Nebraska at a free campsite, and it's a little sketch. We got people staring at us, so we got to show them that we have the stun gun.
Do it again, do it again.
Oh my god!
Try for it.
Sleeping bag's wet.
Oh my god.
from the last road to our campground. We're on a really crappy dirt road and we're driving 12 miles an hour. Alright, here's our campsite. Has a big fire pit. With your
Are we?
AK
He has a gun.
R57.
Smack a country!
Should we offer to help?
I was until I freaking whipped out a gun. Yeah.
When we started, then trying to back out was not fun. After just heat and the sun melted all the snow.
You know, the sunshine started to melt the snow and it made it slushier than it was when we got here.
So we sank in and now we're stuck. So it's cool when we parked.
Okay. Well, I don't know if I have good traction with my Crocs.
Alright. Well, I appreciate the help.
Yeah.
For what it's worth.
We thought you were gonna get it, but
we thought we were too. Alright. Ready? 2. Hey, you got it. Good job. Hey, thank you.
Girl power, am I right?
Yeah, right. So you don't fall in the fucking snow track. You guys are gonna have fun out there on the lake, but don't park in the snow.
Okay. I don't know if our car would make it into the snow.
Thanks, have a good one.
Yep.
If I can't come back slow, I just need to find my zone. I just need to find my home. I just need to find my throne. I just need to find my home. I've been waiting too long.
Ooh.
I've been waiting too long.
If it were really hot, it'd probably actually feel pretty good.
I've been waiting too long. Been waiting too long.
We are driving into Denver right now. We got up this morning and ate breakfast and then went into Conifer, which is an hour from our campsite. Denver's another half an hour from that. And in Conifer, Sarah went and worked out, and Bria and Mara took showers at a kayak place, and then we got yelled at for using the showers. And the lady was really mean after the worker yesterday told them that they could shower there. So, yeah. So then I went into the gym at Anytime Fitness where Sarah was working out and took a shower. He charged me $5 for my shower, so he was super nice. Now we're on our way into Denver.
I don't wanna go down the road that I've been before. I wanna go see the world where I've never been before. I wanna see all these people that I've never met before. I wanna go give you everything and everything and more. I'm like, oh, you're not alone, cause the times I feel like I can't control what's on my mind, and I just see the light. I feel like I got angels.
How are people wearing long sleeves and pants?
You got me. I'm gonna be like dripping sweat from my actual face.
Are they on there because it's so hot?
Always on.
That's what I was trying to think.
Because you can't put money in it.
No parking.
Truck parking by permit only over there. Oh, you can just feel the heat pour in when you open the door. My head feels a little better though.
You're like shady. Ask these people, roll them all down.
Do you guys know where I can park? Over here? What's with the yellow meters? Are those for certain people?
I think those are just construction on the sidewalk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Tell me where to park.
So I can park right here?
I don't think so.
No? Can I park here, do you know?
I think they're not letting people park here right now, but I think that I see a spot right ahead of that white Subaru that's still over there.
Sweet. Thank you. All right, people, we're in business. Is this good? Should I get closer to the curb? Okay, I'm gonna go forward if I can figure out this freaking drive thing.
Tourist 101.
With Minnesota plates. Alright, I'm like on the curb, I think. This is a boutique.
Looks like ugly shoes that are really expensive. That kind of store.
But then I just feel insane. Cause all the hunger and the pain never change. But I'm thankful for my ups and my downs. So I'm about to turn the shit straight up now. You can trust that.
Good afternoon. It is Thursday. We are on day 4 of our camping trip. Today our only plan is to go whitewater rafting, and I think we're all pretty excited for that. We go at 4:30, so we're gonna leave our campsite around 2 because it is a little bit of a drive. I won't be able to take my camera with because it'll be wet, but they take some pictures, so I'll put some pictures in the video. But yeah, so we're just hanging out at the campsite until then, trying to get a little tan. We are in Idaho Springs, Colorado. We are here a little early, but we're getting ready to go whitewater rafting. So hopefully it's really fun.
I don't wanna go down the road that I've been before. I wanna go see the world where I've never been before. I wanna see all these people that I've never met before. I wanna go and give you everything and everything and more. I'm like, oh, you're not alone. Cause the times I feel like I can't control what's on my mind, and I just see the light. I feel like I got angels on my side, but then I just feel insane. Cause all the hunger and the pain never change. But I'm thankful for my ups and my downs. So I'm about to turn the shit straight up now. You can trust that.
Today our only thing that we're doing is going for a hike. We're eating some lunch and then we're gonna probably head out. Last night whitewater rafting was super fun. But if you ever go whitewater rafting, don't wear cotton. I guess you're not supposed to wear cotton, and we all wore cotton t-shirts. Sarah and Mara were in the front, and by the end they were soaked and pretty cold, but I think me and Bria got splashed a good amount that it actually like felt good. Sarah and Mara blocked most of our splashes, so we got splashed a good amount where it felt good. But yeah, so today's our last day in this like campsite, and then our last night, and then tomorrow we're getting up and we're gonna take a little bit of a different route than we took here. We're not gonna go through Denver, we're gonna go like north through like a national park and stuff.
bills, empty bottles, tiny room, dancing closely. Broken glass, tonic water, dirty floor, shabby sofa.
I'm hiking around the lake right now and I just saw, I don't know if it was a badger. I saw it right over here. It like stopped right in front of me, but I didn't get my phone out in time. I'm gonna try to walk across there. I'm not really sure if you can. I don't know if you can hear that. There must be a waterfall over on the other side of the mountain or something. Like I said, there must be that waterfall over there, and then it somehow comes over here into this like stream and then goes into the lake. I don't really know which like path to try to take. I think I'm gonna go right across here. I'm okay with stepping in the water because I stepped in a bunch of mud to get over here. My feet were all gross.
I'm scared of being alone with me, so I think I'm better off with you tonight.
So here's where most of the noise is coming from. It must be running all the way down this mountain.
I need you now. You're the only darkness to these blinding lights. Empty bottles, tiny room, dancing closely. I'm still alone. Broken glass, tonic water, dirty floor, shabby sofa. Come take me home. Take me home.
It's Saturday morning. We are en route currently to Breckenridge, Colorado. Today we are driving and sightseeing for most of the day. Where do I have to turn?
0.3 miles.
Oh, okay. So right now we're in Fairplay. It's about half an hour from our campground, and then we have another half an hour to get to Breckenridge. We're gonna stop and hopefully see some gift shops and stuff. We're not quite to Breckenridge yet, but we are 11,000 feet up elevation.
11,500.
11,500. We just went by the Continental Divide, which means I think everything is like downhill now. This is a very twisty, turny road with no guardrails. I don't know if you can see it now.
Can't see anything.
Happy bills, empty bottles, tiny room, dancing closely. I'm still alone. Broken glass, tonic water, dirty floor, shabby sofa.
Alright, so we made it to Breckenridge, and now we're just walking down the main street and exploring a little bit. It's really pretty here.
Because we're not alone.
because it feels the same till the morning calls. Evil ropes feel the sun so cold. Just because we're not alone, you echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning.
Holy crap. For $30, you can get some fossilized feces. I need these for my spell books and my witchcraft. These skulls, $1,000. Just a casual $9,000. They even have a cardboard straw. It kind of looks like it's gonna storm. I don't know if you can see how gray the sky is. Oh! He is so cute! Oh my god! Just rolls over. Hi, Hank! Look at his face! Look at his paws! Hank is a businessman with business cards. Oh my god! Hi!
He's very photogenic.
Cut it.
You know, if you're gonna have a mascot, that's the mascot.
So we left Breckenridge and now we're on our way to Silver Plume, but right now we just entered the Arapaho National Forest, I think. We're stuck in a traffic jam for like the last hour, maybe even more.
What is you? Interesting. Woo! I lost it. There it is.
So here's the reason why there was this big traffic jam. The semi looks like it exploded or something. It looks like there was fire. But it doesn't look like the cab was injured. That's why we were stuck in traffic for like 2 hours. Alright, so we're in Georgetown getting food, and then hopefully we will be on our way. The trek to Estes Park. We gotta drive all the way through the Rocky Mountain National Forest, though. And that's gonna take about 2 hours. So I think we have about 3 more hours of driving today.
We are 11,000 feet.
Dang.
Hi. That's toilet bowl over there.
Pointy. Pointy and Green Scotty.
We're getting closer to
The park we just entered. We have our first wildlife sighting. Are they moose? Are they moose?
We don't know for sure.
I don't think those are moose, no.
Are they girl moose without horns?
One of them looks like a moose. 20 of them.
We don't know what animals these are, but there they are. There's a bunch of them chilling. Sighting number 2, Big Papa. Okay, animal sighting number 3. We have a female moose. She's behind the tree. There she is. Wonder to pick her head up. Oh, there's her face.
Took her 20 minutes to show us her head.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we showed up at the right time.
Waiting. Somebody thought they saw a baby, but I don't see it.
There's their big nose.
You gotta get all 3 of them.
There's a lightning storm going on. Okay, we are literally on a cliff with a rock as a guardrail.
And these sticks.
Yeah. Be prepared for rapidly changing weather and driving conditions. I wonder if it rains up here a lot. Alright, we have elk. 5 of them with the big horns. Then also on this side,
Jeep, get away.
here's the lake, and this is basically at the Continental Divide. So we've been going up, and now we're gonna go down. Shake your stuff. They're just chilling. He wants to come say hi. Is this guy gonna come across the road? What's he doing? There's that closer version. Big Chungus.
I got a video on.
Oh my, okay, look at it. That's beautiful. This is scary. The clouds like right there with us. Craig. Oh my gosh, you feel lightning? I got it. Hey guys, we have the worst luck. Another traffic jam. We're literally on the top of a mountain. I don't know. Oh! We're on the top. And there was something going on up there. Looks like we're gonna get through now though. Alright, we have a elk with a big butt.
Dumb camera.
Look at his booty. Booty. Look at this guy. He's right on the. That is so cool. We made it through the national park. It was raining, so we didn't really get to see as. It would have been a lot cooler if it wasn't, because we would have been able to see more. It was really foggy. But now we made it to Estes Park, but it's also raining here, so that kind of sucks. But we're stopping for ice cream and treats.
Do it again, do it again.
Oh my god! Sideboard.
Okay, Sarah, you put it right in front of the bird crap. Oh my god, you're such an idiot.
This is really hard. This is so hard. That is her. Ew, what was that noise?
You zoomed in too much. Okay, yeah, can't do anything right, huh? Well, do you want to drive or do you want to be on camera duty?